Hi everyone! In this episode, ang titikman natin dalawang craft beer na coffee stout. This one is made by Pule, craft beer brand na gawang Batangas City. And the other one is made in Iligan City. This one is made by Fat Polly. So this is also coffee stout. Look, we have a friendly dog. So this dog, paikot-ikot lang siya dito kanina pa sa around our camp. I don't know kung stray ito or alaga ito dito sa The Preserve. But dito siya nakatambay sa amin. Before we continue, I wanna thank the sponsor of this episode. This episode is brought to you by The Preserve here in Cayabo, Tanay. Kung naghahanap kayo ng legit na camping experience na malapit lang sa Metro Manila, definitely check this out. I will leave a link down below in the description. So, yan yung campsite namin. Over there, we have 3 tents. It's car camping, so yung kotse dyan lang nakaparada. And we have a gazebo here. And behind me here is where the river is. Dyan lang yung river sa kabila. Let's see. Puntahan natin. The sun is setting behind those mountains. Yung campsite namin nandun. Ayun yung campsites. And then, just beside it is the river. Look at this. Sobrang babaw lang ng tubig dito sa river. And the water is very clear. Pwede kang tumawid across the river itself. Hanggang doon sa kabila side. May ibang campsite na, ibang camping grounds na yung nandun sa kabila. Pero dahil mababaw lang yung tubig, ginagawang tawiran ng mga ATVs tsaka ng mga motorcycles. Yan, yung area na yan. Dito sa The Preserve Tanay is about 1 hour and 45 minute drive from Metro Manila. I live in Manila mismo, so naabot kami ng mga almost 2 hours. Yung river dito sobrang babaw lang, oh. Look at this. Yung lapad niya parang isang o dalawang basketball court yung haba. It's now 5:45 PM and sunset na. Tapos tomorrow abangan natin yung sunrise. Tignan natin kung gaano kaganda yung sunrise dito sa The Preserve at Cayabo, Tanay. of Batangas. Pule is a craft beer brand na gawa sa Batangas. In this episode, ang titikman natin ay yung kanilang coffee stout. Look at that, it's coffee stout. Itong Pule ay 7% ABV. Kapeng Barako Stout ang label niya. So it's made with Liberica coffee beans of Batangas with strong notes of coffee, cacao, and roasted malt. Oh, let's see the color kung gaano ka-dark itong stout na to. Yan. It's very dark. Medyo maasim ang amoy niya. Na amoy kape. Yeah, hindi lang siya amoy maasim, talagang lasang maasim nga siya. So I guess ganun talaga ang lasa ng mga kapeng Liberica, kapeng Batangas. Medyo maasim nga. Pero of course, lasang beer pa rin yan. Nangingibabaw pa din yung lasa ng beer. Yes, sarap. Ang Cerveza Negra, it's not a stout, it's dark roasted lager. Pero I can say na medyo malapit yung lasa nitong coffee stout na to sa Cerveza Negra. But this one is a little bit lighter when it comes to the flavor. And also yung mouthfeel niya, hindi ganun kapal sa loob ng lasa ng bibig. Hindi ganun kakapal sa loob ng bibig, yung mouthfeel. Yung unang tikim lang, medyo maasim talaga. Yun yung pinakaunang impression na maiisip mo or malalasahan mo. But after a while, yung asim medyo nawawala na, napapalitan na ng parang pagka yung natural or normal na pait ng kape. Yun yung lasa niya. This is Pule Coffee Stout. Okay, beer number 2. This is Fat Poli's Sultan Coffee Stout. This is 7.8% ABV. Mas mataas siya ng konti. It doesn't say here kung anong klaseng coffee beans ang ginamit sa pag-add ng flavor dito sa stout na to. Mas makapal yung foam niya, yung head. Mas marami siyang bula kesa dun sa Pule. It's just as dark. Pareho lang yung kulay nila. But I'm seeing a little bit of hints of reddishness. It smells different. Parang may nasisense ako na may pagka-smoky yung aroma niya. Mas amoy kape itong Fat Poli's. I feel like mas complicated yung aroma niya. Hindi lang amoy maasim. I'm excited to taste this. Cheers. Yeah, mas complicated yung lasa niya. Mas mapait. Hindi lang puro asim ang natitikman. Mas mapait siya, mas bitter. I don't know how to explain it, pero that's what I feel, mas smoky. I feel like mas nakukuha niya yung sense ng brewed coffee nitong Fat Poli's. So I like this better than the other one, than Pule. And also yung mouthfeel niya, it's more flavorful, mas malasa, mas marami yung, mas bumabalot yung flavors ng lasa inside the mouth and inside the throat. Sarap. I like this better than Pule. Pero masarap din naman yung Pule. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na hindi siya masarap. Pule versus Fat Poli's. Both are good coffee stouts. But I preferred one over the other. I prefer Fat Poli over Pule. By the way, this is the first time we are doing camping. Malapit lang siya. If you want a day trip or a weekend trip ng chill night camping, punta kayo dito sa The Preserve at Tanay, Rizal. Check out their Instagram page and their Facebook page. I will link a live. Sobrang ganda ng place. Ang tahimik lang niya, ang chill lang niya. And right beside the camping ground, nandun yung river. It's a very calm river. Ang sarap magbaba dun sa tubig. Tapos it's very picturesque. It's very Instagrammable. Ang ganda ng surroundings. It's a very nice nature trip away from Metro Manila. If you want a quick getaway from Metro Manila, go here. The Preserve at Tanay, Rizal. This is our tents. Yan, we have 3 tents here. And sa kabila, tignan nyo. They have about 6 tents ata dyan sa kabila. What's your name? What's your name? Bantayan mo yung camp namin mamaya. Ha? Bantayan mo kami ha. Pag may bear na dumating, wake us up. Gisingin mo kami. Okay? Ha? May bears ba dito? We have a friend here. So, this dog, paikot-ikot lang siya dito kanina pa sa around our camp area. Hi. I don't know who he is. I don't know kung anong pangalan niya, but he's friendly. Good morning. It's 6 a.m. and it's very refreshing to wake up to the sounds of the river. Tignan natin yung ilog. Look at this. There's a fog creeping down the side of the mountain pababa din sa ilog. That's nice. Those are clouds or fogs. Yung mga baba sa river. Pangit ang buhok ko. Anong gusto niyong kape? Colombia, Cuba, or Brazil? So pagkatapos natin mag-coffee stout kagabi, this morning, totoong kape naman.